Hi friends, this is Guneet Kaur. I am presenting a documentary on COVID-19 lockdown. I am a resident of Jalandhar Heights, which is located on the outskirts of Jalandhar city. Life was going normal and people were following their usual routine. They were going for their jobs, shopping, socializing, etc. There was so much positivity all around. But 22nd March 2020 changed it all. With a blink of an eye, things came to a grinding halt when our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi announced Janta curfew and lockdown throughout the country. Let's walk into the society and see what precautionary measures were taken and guidelines were released by the management of Jalandhar Heights to ensure the safety of residents. Let's know from Mr. Deepak, the security head of Jalandhar Heights, what all instructions were given to them by the management.
सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं जलंधर हाइट यहाँ के सिक्योरिटी इंचार्ज हूँ जी। जिस दिन ये कोरोना का ये माहौल शुरू हुआ है लॉकडाउन, उस दिन से सबसे पहले तो जनक खन्ना जी ने, हमारे जो यहाँ के चीफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर हैं, उन्होंने मीटिंग की थी हमारे से कि कैसे कैसे ये सारा करना है। तो उसी दिन से गेट बंद कर दिया गया था। तो जैसे ही गेट बंद हुआ तो उन्होंने हमें बताया कि कोई भी बाहर से आउटसाइडर आ रहा है वो अंदर नहीं आएगा, और जो बाहर जा रहा है, जैसे कि अंदर कुछ डॉक्टर रहते हैं, पुलिस वाले रहते हैं, तो उनका कर्फ्यू पास बना था, वो वही बाहर जा रहे थे बस। और जो अंदर आ रहे थे उनका प्रॉपर फीवर चेक करके और उनको सैनिटाइज करवाते थे, फिर ही अंदर अलाउ करते थे। और इसके दौरान जो हमारे खन्ना सर हैं, उन्होंने यहाँ पे जो भी रेजिडेंट रहते हैं उनको सभी को बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी। जो भी अंदर उनको रेगुलर में चीज़ें चाहिए थी वो यहीं उनको प्रोवाइड करवाई जा रही थी। जैसे कि दूध, सब्जी, करियाने की आइटम, हर एक चीज़ यहीं पर ही अंदर सभी रेजिडेंट को मिलती थी। और जो बाहर से सामान लेकर आते थे उनका भी उन्होंने कर्फ्यू पास वगैरह बना दिया था कि उनको भी रास्ते में कोई ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए। तो ऐसे सभी का यहाँ पे कोई किसी को लॉकडाउन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई।
Let's speak to the owner of Satyam Grocery Store and get to know the problems he faced during lockdown to make the basic grocery amenities available to the people.
जी, मेरा नाम मजीद सिंह है। मेरी शॉप जलंधर हाइट के अंदर है, सत्यम ग्रोसर के नाम से। लॉकडाउन में भी हमने पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ से जाके सामान ला के लोगों को दिया। बड़ी दिक्कत आई सामान लाने में। ब्रेड भी नहीं थी, दूध भी बहुत मुश्किल से अरेंज कर पा रहे थे, पर फिर भी हमने जितनी हमसे कोशिश हुई है हमने सबको ला के सारा सामान दिया है। किसी को कोई शिकायत का मौका नहीं दिया है। और रास्ते में भी दिक्कत आती थी, पुलिस वाले तंग करते थे। चलो बाद में धीरे धीरे सब काम ठीक हो गया उसके हिसाब से। वो इधर शाम को भी पुलिस वाले आके तंग करते थे कि शाम को बंद करो दुकान। और लोगों को भी हमने देखना पड़ता था कि सबको सामान सारी चीज़ पहुँचे। जहाँ से भी हमने ला के दी, आगे सामान इधर सारा पहुँच जाता था। हमने सुबह 5 बजे जाके सारा इकट्ठा करते थे सामान। मंडी जाओ, गुड़ मंडी जाओ, तो 6:30 पौने 7 बजे इधर पहुँच जाते थे सारा सामान लेके कार भर के, और आके लोगों को देते थे।
Let us walk into the office of retired Major General Arun Khanna, who is looking after the administrative of Jalandhar Heights and is a very active member of the management.
I am Major General Arun Khanna, and I speak from AGI Infra Limited, which has built one of the best accommodation that is available, a residential complex in form of Jalandhar Heights. COVID was a very difficult period, and the onus of looking after my dear and near residents was on me. We had got a lot of government instructions from time to time, and I ensured that those instructions were duly complied with. At the same time, ensuring that my residents also are looked after. Ensured at all given times that they had rations available to them. Since they all were locked in, it was very, very important for us to keep them motivated, and to achieve that, we organized musical evenings at times from a central location wherein people could stand in their balconies and listen to good villains as well as some Bollywood music for the entertainment part. We ensured that home service was given to everybody. At the same time, medical needs were also met by way of having an ambulance at our site available. Since a few boys were working very hard, we wanted to honor them also. So at given time, we did ensure that they are looked after well. All the security boys were housed in itself. They were given proper accommodation so that they don't need to move out, and therefore they take all precautionary measures which are there for the COVID. And I'm sure this would have helped my resident, wherein we had very, very minimal casualties, just about 1 or 2 people who suffered this virus, and we were able to look after their health. All the best, do well in life.
We should not forget to speak to the residents of the society and know their experience during lockdown.
Hi everyone, my name is Isha Singh and I'm working as TGT English with Army Public School, Jalandhar, Kent. I take particularly class 10 children, and this year it has been a more actually challenging year. Class 10 is, as it is, full of challenges, but due to this COVID pandemic, I think it has added a couple of challenges more. But along with challenges, I think we've had a great experience. We've shifted from physical classroom to virtual classroom, and it has been actually a journey full of ups and downs. So in the beginning, we had our own inhibitions, and we did face a lot of technical issues. But I think as time moved on, we learned, we upgraded our skills, and now we are quite comfortable and really enjoying this new journey. As in facing issues with children, yes, I won't say that it was easy. Getting to prepare ourselves, the parents and the students was not certainly an easy task. But I think with the help that we got from our school, from the technical team, and with the assistance of children and parents, I think our work became quite easier. And now I think we are doing pretty well. But yes, at times we do face issues, and we have our own moments like, children, please mute your mics and switch on your cameras. And at times you feel you are actually just teaching the screen. And sometimes we do guess whether the child is there across the screen or not. So these issues are certainly there, but we are trying our level best, and we are very hopeful that we will definitely achieve our target.
Good evening. I am Reet Kaur Minhas, a student of Innocent Heart School GMT, studying in class 12th medical. The COVID-19 situation has definitely affected all spheres of life, but especially I think academia, and even more so for both students such as myself, because this year is supposed to be the most crucial one of all of our school life, and it has been strewn with obstacles since the very beginning. Some of these are the completion of the syllabus, the retention and the understanding of the topics taught to us in online classes, the conduction of the practicals for science students. We had our first practical just yesterday, and all of these need to be completed as soon as possible. The reduction in syllabus by 30% by CBSE was definitely a step in the right direction, I think, because it has helped ease our burden. And even in the future, I hope that the CBSE officials are considerate of our situation and take steps accordingly. Thank you.
I hope this pandemic ends soon so people can get back to their normal life. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.